Hey, welcome back to another random reviewer video, and guess what? Today's video is not random at all. We're talking about another shaver, again. And yes, I spent money again. But hey, the channel must go on. Today we're looking at the Philips All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000. Now, this isn't my first time with the 3000 series. These things have been around forever. Honestly, I think Philips has made millions of these by now. My very first one? I bought it years ago, and through my own negligence, not charging it properly, not looking after it, possibly dropping it in water, it finally stopped working. I'll explain that part later on. Inside you get a nose trimmer, a bunch of combs, 11 length settings from 0.5 millimeters to 11 millimeters. The trimmer, and surprisingly, an actual power charger with a charging block. That alone is rare these days. But I'm not unwrapping all the combs because I already have about 400 of them from past shavers. If you want to know exactly which combs are included, ask me in the comments. Otherwise, this video turns into an audiobook. Design and feel. The design hasn't changed much from the older versions, except for that chrome accent. It's compact, comfortable, and fits nicely in the hand. One thing I absolutely love: no accidental button presses. There is no push button. It uses a slide-up switch so it won't turn on inside your bag. There's also no battery indicator, no LED light, no fancy features. And honestly, you don't need them. You can hear when the motor is slowing down. It sounds just like the toy motors we grew up with, when the power drops, you know. Performance. Let's be real. Most of us don't need 20 attachments. These basics are more than enough if all you want is a neat beard or goatee. The nose trimmer works well. The main trimmer shaves just as nicely as the 5000, 7000, and even the 9000 series. If you only need something simple to trim your beard, tidy your neck, shape your goatee, or even touch up your eyebrows, yes, I do that with my 9000 by using a longer comb. This will do the job. It's not fancy, it's not expensive, it just works. The sound surprised me. It's not too loud at all. Maybe my ears were better years ago, but it's a decent hum. I've been collecting shavers for YouTube, and honestly, I'm starting to enjoy having the whole collection. So don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to keep reviewing more of these. And if there's a shaver you want me to test, tell me in the comments. I'm doing this for you. Real user feedback. The good and the bad. This is where things get honest. Most people loved. Good quality for the price. Light and easy to use, doesn't pull or tug hair. Works while charging, quiet motor, reliable Philips blades. Some people didn't like. This thing is not waterproof, not showerproof, nothing. So if you drop it in water like I probably did, that's the end of it. Outdated battery technology. This is the biggest red flag. It uses nickel metal hydride technology, not lithium ion. So, no quick charge, old school runtime. And get this, 16 hours of charging for 60 minutes of use. Yes, you heard me. 16 hours in 2025. You could fly from New Zealand to Dubai and back before this thing fully charges, but if you shave regularly and monitor the sound of the motor, you'll be fine. Plug it in when it starts slowing down and you're sweet. If the battery dies, it still works when plugged in. Not every cheap trimmer can do that. Some just die and leave you looking like you lost a fight with a lawnmower. Not this one. No travel pouch attachments, feel a bit light. Needs a cleaning more often. Not as powerful as premium models, and honestly, all of that is fair. This is a simple machine. It's not a $200 barber tool, and it doesn't pretend to be. Should you buy it? If you want. A reliable everyday trimmer. Something simple, something affordable, something that works plugged in, something that won't pull your hair. Then yes, this is an easy recommendation. If you want something extremely powerful, premium, or full metal barbershop grade, then look at the higher Philips Series 9000 or the Panasonic ER series. But this little 3000, it's a workhorse. Final thoughts. So would I buy it? If I were broke or needed something simple, yes. As a first shaver for a young person, also yes. If you're buying it as a Christmas gift for someone who knows shavers, Maybe not. They might think you're being a bit cheap. This purchase for me is pure nostalgia. It was one of my first proper battery-powered beard trimmers as a young man, and having it again feels good, even if I won't use it every day. It's a good basic budget shaver. Just don't expect fancy features, waterproofing, or modern battery tech. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thanks for being here, don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate you. Over and out.